Binance Futures versus Phemex. Where should you trade? So let's get straight into it. Let's talk about trading fees. So on Binance Futures, on the coin margin contracts, you will pay 0.04% for takers and 0.015% for makers. On the USDT futures, where you only trade on Tether, you will pay 0.04% for takers, the same as the coin margin contract, and 0.02% for makers. You can also reduce this by 10% using the BNB token. Now, when it comes to BitMEX, Bybit, and Phemex, they all use the same fee schedule, so I put them all in the same column. So it is 0.075% for takers and minus 0.025% for makers. So you actually make money when trading with passive orders. The downside is that market orders are very punishing. Sometimes you just have to use market orders and then you have to pay so much, and considering you're using leverage, I'm not a big fan of this 0.075% for takers. Now let's talk about Binance, the pros. First, it's the largest crypto exchange with the highest volume and the most number of accounts. It's not even close. They launched in 2017, which for the crypto space is a really long time ago, and they have a strong safety record. They were hacked once, but nobody actually lost money. They refunded all accounts that were affected, and it gives me a lot of trust in this exchange. They have many altcoins as well. If you like altcoins, Binance will be paradise for you. And finally, they offer fiat support, so you can pretty much have everything in one place. It makes it very convenient to buy Bitcoin and altcoins with your credit card, with bank deposit, trade with leverage, or just on the spot account, and so on. Now they have cons as well. The most important being restrictions in 29 countries and regions. I wish that wasn't the case. It's very annoying if you are in one of these restricted areas. And also their support is very slow. On the online chat, it took me 4 hours to get a reply, and at least I got my problem solved. So it works, but you need some patience to deal with this delay. If you need a 10% discount on your trading fees for Binance, you can use the referral code below with a 10% discount for 30 days and also a lifetime 10% discount on your Binance spot account. Now let's talk about Phemex. Let's talk about their pros. First, no ID required. I'm always a big fan of that. No complaints there. $80 sign up bonus. Sounds pretty tempting. And also it's great for affiliates. So actually Phemex is the best place for affiliates to make money. They get 50% of the fees, and that's why you see some big YouTubers recommending Phemex, because they make 50% commission. That does not mean that it's the best for you. It's the best for them because they make money. And honestly, I don't know how they can sleep at night. We're gonna talk about the cons now. And there are so many of them. First of all, false advertisement. You don't get this $80 bonus. You cannot withdraw. If you try to withdraw, they will block everything. They won't give you free money. That doesn't exist. They just use this to lure customers to their exchange. Their interface is terrible. It makes BitMEX look beautiful. That's how bad it is. Like, are we back in the 90s? Also, it's a very new exchange. Absolutely no safety record. They can claim whatever they want. We cannot verify that it's a safe exchange. They launched in the end of 2019. Absolutely no safety record. If they are hacked, will they disappear with your Bitcoin? I don't know. So why would you risk putting your money here? No guarantees at all. And also this is very concerning. Their volume is so low. Nobody trades there. Huge spreads all over the place. This is a bad excuse of an exchange. Why would anybody recommend this? How do these big YouTubers sleep at night? I don't know. I could not recommend this. I would never put my money on this exchange. And I guarantee you, these big YouTubers recommending Phemex to their subscribers do not keep their Bitcoin there. I don't work with Phemex. I could make more money there if I sent people there. But I think you need to have morals, and I only work with exchanges that I actually use, and there is only Coinbase, BitMEX, and Binance. Binance being my favorite by far. So my conclusion, Binance Futures is superior in most cases. Phemex is only worth it if your country is restricted on Binance and BitMEX. And even then, I would still search somewhere else. I would not put my money on Phemex. Yeah, on Binance, you just know that they won't disappear with your coins. And for me, that's my biggest concern, besides all the different pros and all the products they have and so on. But that is my experience. Let me know down in the comments what you think of these exchanges. And don't forget to sign up using the referral links below. That's about it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.